This is Marie from Underground Crafter. Grab that hook and let's get ready to crochet.
Today I'm going to show you the lemon peel stitch, also known as the pebble stitch or the crinkle stitch. It has a really nice texture and it's made by just alternating two very simple crochet stitches. So you're going to start by chaining one and turning, or turning one and chaining, whatever you prefer. They both have the same result. And you'll need an even number of stitches to start. For the first stitch you're going to make a single crochet, so you'll insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. In the next stitch you're going to make a double crochet, so you'll yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Now we're going to alternate that all across the row. So single crochet and then double crochet. Repeat that, single and then double all the way across, and I'll catch you at the end of the row. Okay, I'm at the end of the row and I'm going to chain one and turn, or again turn one and chain, and we're going to repeat that exact same pattern across the next row. This is just a 1 row repeat, which is why a lot of people like this pattern. So you're going to start with the single crochet and then the double crochet, and you're going to keep repeating that all the way across. Now if you look at the stitch pattern, you can see that the texture is alternating every few rows, so you have kind of a diagonal look to the texture, but you also have something that's very simple and just kind of neutral. So this is great for baby blankets, for accessories, for a lot of different projects. So you've made the lemon peel stitch or the crinkle stitch or the pebble stitch, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed your project. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe on whatever platform you're watching this video. Have a great day!